Data centers have up until now been usually constructed in one of two ways. Traditional data center build follows a sequential process, materials and equipment arriving individually on site, with the build progressing from the ground up. Alternatively, prefabricated modular construction can offer many advantages, such as quicker deployments and risk reduction. Vertiv offers many solutions in this space. However, in the age of increasing IT loads powered by artificial intelligence, there's another option that combines the advantages of both. Vertiv OneCore. Vertiv power and thermal infrastructure building blocks are inserted into a brand new Vertiv-supplied steel building shell, or an existing building. Infrastructure building blocks are made in controlled factory environments and tested before shipping to the site, where installation is quicker and easier compared to traditional methods. Prefabricated building block approach allows data center retooling. Infrastructure blocks can be easily swapped out and replaced with new generation ones. For a greenfield construction site, Vertiv provides a flexible prefabricated steel building shell, which is then assembled on site. The recyclable steel structure is easier to decommission compared to traditional build, designed to be an environmentally responsible future-ready choice. Prefab approach also means reduced site traffic and construction waste compared to traditional construction methods, further minimizing environmental impact. The indoor air cooling and liquid coolant distribution units are installed. They can be deployed on prefabricated skids, which include complex piping that is factory installed and tested before shipping. Vertiv SmartRun is the overhead structure fully or partially pre-assembled. It includes all cooling, power, and communication infrastructure to enable a simple one-lift installation. Rack installation can commence as soon as the SmartRun is in place. Vertiv power modules provide all critical power infrastructure within modular blocks and can satisfy all the power needs of an AI-ready data center. Alternatively, power infrastructure can be deployed on skids for power room installation. Vertiv service modules feature clean corridors for strategic power distribution and advanced fire safety systems. Vertiv hydro modules are prefabricated scalable modules featuring various cooling support systems, i.e. primary and secondary cooling systems, water treatment systems, and heat reuse. Additionally, Vertiv OneCore can provide prefabricated auxiliary modules to be used as other necessary data center spaces, like meet-me rooms, knock rooms, shipping or storage area, etc. The final piece of the cooling puzzle are Vertiv's industry-standard heat rejection systems along with storage tanks used for thermal backup during downtime. These systems provide efficient cooling to the data center by dissipating excess heat, supporting reliable thermal management and optimized performance. For operators' ease of mind, Vertiv provides Vertiv Unify, an intelligent solution that delivers advanced monitoring, control, and automation directly to all Vertiv's OneCore components. Backed by Vertiv's global service network and rigorous quality control standards, Vertiv OneCore aims to deliver reliability, cost efficiency, and schedule improvements that modern enterprises demand.